Hello kids, I am Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter of Serious Talk. A spider sat quietly in the center of its web. Suddenly, there is a swing in the web again. I guess someone is in. Oh god, again the cobweb I caught. Good. Welcome, my fly dear. I was waiting for you. While this happened, a lady was cleaning her room. She sucked the spider and the fly and the web all in the vacuum cleaner. Oh, it is so dark. Grr, what's that noise? What's happening? My head is reeling. I am falling. What is going on? Help, help. By this time, the lady switched off the vacuum cleaner and everything became quiet. Who's that? I can't see anyone. Oh, are you Miss Spider? I am the fly. You are going to eat. You were going to eat a few minutes ago. It's me, a poor spider web. Who's there? No, it can't be so. I think we have been eaten by up something bigger than both of us. It's so nice to hear you. Are we going to die? I really feel sorry for all the flies I have eaten. If I have got out of here, I would be a different person. I wish there was a world that where spider and flies could be friends and insects could be free from fear. I would like to drink honey like butterflies. It won't be a bad idea to learn to eat berries. Oh, I was also thinking the same. If I live longer, I could change myself too. I won't do rubbish heaps and sit on rotten things. I wouldn't walk on any of one plate which had dirty shoes on. That's an interesting. I don't think we have never changed saying had a chance to talk to each other and know each other's feeling like this before. But it's too late, or else we could have changed. In the meantime, someone took the bag of the vacuum cleaner and emptied it on the garbage heap. The spider got frightened, but in short while he recovered and stretched its leg and began making a new web. Fly, dear, are you here? Yes, Miss Spider, are you there? Look, I have made a beautiful and peaceful new web. Do you come and see it? Boo and boo! This is where you have to be, Miss Spider. It looked just like the old one. I'm going. I can't wait. We were friends, but after all, I'm a fly and you're a spider. But where are you going? To new rubbish heap and then walk to someone lunch and my dirty shoes. But fly dear, we are friends now. Don't forget the past. Ah me, but I won't be again. The fly rubbed its legs clean and flew off, and the spider sat and eagerly waited for an insect to get trapped in its web. And this poem is written by Writers Group. Thank you.